Our first formula is to combine the words, and here we have the first word and the last word, and we need to combine both the words to make the full name. So we use here the concatenate function equals to concatenate bracket open, and after opening the bracket it says text1, so we just give the address of the first word, which is b3, then comma, inverted comma open, space, inverted comma close, and comma. We just use here to give space and then just write here the address of the last word, which is c3, bracket close. So you can see here our John is b3 and our second c3 is Smith. Now just press here enter, so it will combine both the words. In the same way we can just drag the formula, so it will implement on all these cells. This is how we can combine the whole words by using the simple function. Formula number 2, use if function for criteria. Here you can see the student name and marks, and here is the criteria like more than or equals to 60 marks is passed. Now we have to use the if function to give the status regarding the pass or fail. So how we can use here equals to if bracket open. Now select the address of the cell, which is C3, greater than equals to 60 comma inverted comma pass, inverted comma close, inverted comma fail, bracket close. Now you can see here if C3, here you can see greater than or equals to 60, which is our marks criteria, so it will says pass, like you can see here pass, else it will consider as fail. Now press here enter, so you can see Harry got 87 and its status is passed. Now drag it down to implement at all these cells. Now you can see here the fail criteria and the person got 50 and says fails. Now change it, you can see here it convert into pass, and now again you can see here fail. Now if we change 87 to 52, so you can see here fail, and if we just convert again, so you can see pass. This is how we can use the if function here. Formula number 3, use formula to save time. So you can see here we have items, quantity, price, and we need to use the sum total and then total. So how we can use, we have traditional formula like d3 multiplied by e3 and now need to drag it down, so we get this subtotal. Now we need to write here some formula to get the total, like equals to SEM sum, bracket open, select the all array and press here enter, so we get the total. This is the traditional form. Now we have the subtotal formula to get the value, like we write equals to sum product, bracket open. Now select the first array which you want to multiply, comma, and then we need to select the second array, bracket close, and press here enter. So we got the same result. So we have two options. Either we can use a simple function to get the data, or we can use the traditional value. Thank you.